My name's Eric Cummings, Safety Business Development Manager for the Americas for Ross Controls, a Rockwell technology partner for fluid power safety since 2007. Rockwell Automation and Ross Controls partnered together to deliver a more complete machine safety system that addresses not only electrical safety, but also pneumatic and hydraulic safety. These safety solutions allow customers to have quick access to hazardous parts of their machinery to perform necessary tasks while ensuring employee safety. This reduces downtime and provides a reduced total cost of ownership. While Rockwell Automation has the largest product breadth for electrical safety solutions, Ross Controls has the largest product breadth for fluid power safety function options, product scope for size and flow rate, as well as the longest life in the industry. Ross Controls has worked with Rockwell Automation to provide tools for engineers to select and integrate these solutions with ease. These tools include being in Proposal Works and Safety Automation Builder, as well as a number of published application techniques that provide details on the wiring, integration, programming, and validation of the safety system. The industries we support include automotive, tire and rubber, metals, consumer packaged goods, and the rides and entertainment industry.